Do you know the second worst thing about pitch decks? They are horrible to create. They take so much of your time. Do you know the worst thing about pitch decks, case studies and white papers? They are boring, they are static. That's why nobody reads them. And you know, nobody likes static and boring things, right? But you can't stop sales process. You have to keep going. Then what's the solution? I'll tell you the best possible solution just in a second. Hey guys, I'm Nazre with AppStudio, bringing some of the most fabulous marketing and business tools to you. I'm happy and excited because I'm going to tell you about Storydoc, the #1 slide editor that helps you to create stunning interactive presentation in minutes. That helps you to close sales deal very fast. Alright guys, get ready for the show. Storydoc is a tool to create most interactive and engaging presentations that people love to open and read. Is it like PowerPoint? Yes. It's something like PowerPoint, but it's much better than PowerPoint, as it is having cooler features and of course better usability. Storydoc's automatic slide editor features makes it ahead of all tools. Cheers to Storydoc! Woohoo! It's not only about creating cool slides, it creates your brand identity also, and that is really an important aspect. And don't even get me started on all the awesome templates. There is a reason this feature is our golden taco. Actually, there are 3 reasons. First, you can use interactive slides to convert more leads. Second, you can integrate your calendar into your pitch decks and let people book a call on the spot. And third, you can embed clickable lists or videos to showcase your product or services in action. Boom! I think that's enough to create huge number of sales for you. Is that? Alright, few more things about Storydoc. You can customize to every single slide without lifting a finger. If you use any email automation tool, it's very easy adding dynamic variables like first name, company name, or a personal message. Trust me, all these things impress your leads and make them feel very special. Storydoc's analytics are like real treasure. They are having the data that matters. Now you are having better understanding how your presentations are performing. Remember the worst thing about pitch decks. Storydocs got you covered. With engagement metrics like reading time, reading depth, and top actions, you will finally have the data to optimize your presentations. Now you know, people actually reading them. You know, I can talk whole day about Storydoc, but isn't it weird if I talk whole day about how you should engage your leads? I know you want more information about Storydoc. Maybe you want to learn about it, am I right? Yes? Click the link below and see why Storydoc should be in your sales tech bucket. But hurry, because this deal is on high demand and it is going away soon. Subscribe AppStudio for more deals and reviews.